Just a quick tour of a messy room before checkout of a premium downtown Disney view at the Disneyland Hotel, Adventure Tower. We're on the 10th floor, room 2847. Really quickly, there's a fridge there in the cabinet and a Keurig coffee maker, new TVs this year, a desk with USB ports. The furniture has been reupholstered. It's a view of downtown Disney, and the parks are there in the distance.
Can you turn off the faucet?
This is August 2021. New upholstered headboards, but the same firework Disneyland castle headboard. New wallpaper. You can see now there's room under the beds for your luggage. New TVs. There's a refrigerator there in that cabinet. Thermostat, you can change the temperature, and right to my right there is a closet with a safe and an ironing board and an iron. I have a blow dryer, 2 sinks, bathtub and a shower, and a separate room with a toilet. Water closet, I guess you'd call it. That's it. Great room.